Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ultimate showdown in the world of gaming laptops. In a battle for supremacy, the latest contestant steps forward. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch gaming laptop 2025 model, boasting the most powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX 24C processor and a behemoth of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB graphics card, paired with a whopping 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a staggering 2 terabytes of NVMe SSD storage. Today, we're going to put this behemoth of a laptop through its paces, exploring its features, performance, and potential flaws. Are you ready? For years, gaming laptops have been stuck in a vicious cycle of compromises, either sacrificing portability for raw power or trading off frame rates for battery life. But with the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10, things are about to get interesting. Lenovo has taken the bold step of marrying high-performance components with a sleek and durable design, resulting in a laptop that's as capable of taking on demanding games as it is of navigating everyday workflows. First, let's talk about the first thing that caught my eye, the design. The Legion Pro 7i sports a stunning 16-inch WQXGA OLED display with 500 nits of brightness, a 240 Hz refresh rate, and support for GSYNC. That's right, we're talking about a display that can handle 240 Hz and GSYNC, making it a dream come true for any FPS enthusiast out there. The 100% DCI, P3 color gamut, and Dolby Vision support only add to the experience, making this display a true marvel of modern engineering. When you pop the lid open, you're greeted by the first signs of that legendary Legion Pro 7i build quality. The laptop's metal body is crafted with the utmost care, boasting subtle yet aggressive lines that hint at a laptop capable of handling the most demanding tasks. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. After all, we have hardware to talk about. Speaking of which, the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX 24C is an engineering marvel in its own right. As one of the most powerful consumer-grade CPU cores available, it features a staggering 36 megabytes of cache memory and a clock speed that reaches up to 5.4 GHz on its P cores, with the E cores humming along at a still respectable 4.6 GHz. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 GPU isn't any slouch either, cranking out an impressive 175W of power to drive whatever games, graphics, or other demanding applications you throw at it. Let's get back to the nitty-gritty. We're dealing with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM at an astonishing 6,400 MHz, courtesy of two 32 gigabytes SATA modules. And to sweeten the deal, we have a rather massive 2 terabytes of NVMe SSD storage, comprised of two 1 terabyte M.2 2280 PCI Gen 4 TLC drives in array configuration. To give you an idea of what this behemoth of a laptop can do, let's talk about real-world performance. I tested the Legion Pro 7i with several games across the board, including the likes of Assassin's Creed Odyssey, The Witcher 3, and Rainbow Six Siege. The results were nothing short of incredible. At 1080p and Ultra settings, Assassin's Creed Odyssey averaged a smooth 120 FPS, while Rainbow Six Siege topped out at a staggering 240 FPS at 1080p and Ultra as well. And don't even get me started on The Witcher 3, which reached a very respectable 90 FPS at 1440p and Ultra settings. Now that we've explored the features and performance of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10, let's take a moment to discuss some of its pros and cons. Without a doubt, this laptop's standout feature remains its display and its overall build quality. Both are genuinely impressive, especially considering the price point. However, I do wish there were more connectivity options. After all, not all of us live in a USB-C obsessed world. The lack of an optical drive is also worth mentioning, although Lenovo does include a USB-C to HDMI adapter for those instances when you might need it. In the world of gaming laptops, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 has already set the bar incredibly high. Compared to its competitors, it stands head and shoulders above the rest. Even when pitted against the likes of the Razer Blade 15 and the MSI GS66 Stealth, the Legion Pro 7i remains an unshakable force to be reckoned with. So where does that leave us? If you're looking for the most powerful gaming laptop available today, with a display that truly is unmatched in its class, then the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch gaming laptop 2025 model is the laptop to beat. In short, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 represents a significant step forward in the evolution of gaming laptops, delivering a level of power, portability, and performance that will satisfy even the most discerning gamer or tech enthusiast. With all that said, if you're ready to unleash your inner gaming beast and take on the world, I recommend grabbing one of these incredible laptops without hesitation. For those interested, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch gaming laptop 2025 model is currently available for purchase, starting at a competitive $2,999. As for me, I'll be right here, waiting for the next laptop to come along and challenge the Legion Pro 7i for its throne. Happy gaming, everyone!